Hello? Hey?
Don't touch me, Grandpa. Oh,
Doctor L'Espérance?
yes. You come to a consultation?
Yes, for my diarrhea.
Sit you. So, Mr. Stevenson, you told me you have diarrhea.
Yes, it's true.
Okay, can you explain your symptoms?
Sometime in the night I woke up and I just want to go in the toilet and purge myself of this demon. Terrible.
Okay, I see.
Help me, please.
Sometimes, do you have head hurts or something like this?
Sometimes. Not very hard, but I have it.
I want to know if you're sometimes constipated when you go to the toilet.
No, it
No,
never arrives.
No. Okay, good. I will examine you, and we will see the result. Excuse me, Mr. Stevenson.
Okay.
After the result you had at the exam, I have a bad news for you. You're gonna die in 3 days.
It's just a diarrhea.
Yes, but it's a violent diarrhea. I don't know what to tell you, but you can see the graphics and.
Oh my God! I'm gonna die! Oh!
Fuck you! No! Are you crazy?
Is this certain?
Yes.
Like that!
Die! Left or right?
I think is right.
Or no, I think it's left.
No, this way.
Left.
No, this way.
Fuck you. Hey, some hookers. Fuck you. I was right. Like always.
No. Bastard.
Hate.
That's all. Very ugly.
Hey, what happened with that girl last night?
I can't remember, but
Yeah.
I really got to piss.
Hi, sir.
Who are you?
Detective Jackson. Here's Surgeon Johnson.
Hi.
We're for the
Please
murder.
enter the house.
Thank you. Here's that guy, Steve Stevenson.
Is it an address?
No. 42 years old, no allergies, but a violent diarrhea.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Oh.
It's okay. Oh my god. I go back. What are you looking at? Who's that guy?
I don't know.
He's really word.
Hmm? What? You disturb me, huh?
Okay. I'll go to the basement. Oh my god. Ew! It's diarrhea! Hey, come here! I found something! Look at this.
Oh my god, that's what I call a diarrhea. Oh yeah. That's fresh.
Thinking it's Italian?
No, Chinese.
That's what I...
Let me taste another time. Not too bad.
Definitely Chinese.
Yeah. I can taste the egg rolls.
Have a taste of cat also.